In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice for an existing customer in Xero. By the end, you'll feel confident creating a clean, accurate invoice that's linked to the right customer with all the key details in place. Start on your Xero dashboard and look for the plus icon, usually found at the top of the page. This is your quick create menu for common tasks. Click the plus icon to open the list of options. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the right organization and that you have access to create sales documents. From the menu, choose invoice. This tells Xero you're creating a sales invoice to bill a customer for products or services. Selecting invoice brings up a new invoice page with fields ready to complete. Now choose the customer. In the contact field, start typing the existing customer's name, then select the correct match from the list that appears. Picking from the existing contact list ensures the invoice is linked to the right account, so statements, aging, and reporting stay accurate. Take a moment to confirm it's the right customer by glancing at the displayed contact details, like the business name and any reference shown beside it. Next, add a reference. This is a short note that appears on the invoice and is useful for both you and your customer. Common examples include a purchase order number, a job or project code, or an internal reference that helps your team identify the work. Keeping this consistent makes searching, matching payments, and reconciling much easier later on. Now select the item you're billing for. Click into the item field and choose from your predefined products or services. When you select an item, Xero pulls in its saved description, unit price, and tax settings, saving you time and helping you stay consistent. Check that the description reads the way you want your customer to see it. Confirm the quantity and price are correct for this invoice, and make any necessary adjustments right there in the line. If you use discounts or different units, ensure those are reflected correctly so your totals are accurate. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. This saves the invoice to Xero and closes the editing screen, keeping your changes without sending anything to the customer yet. You can reopen it anytime to review, make edits, or proceed with your usual sending process. That's it. Your invoice is created for the existing customer with clear references and accurate item details, ready for your next step when you're ready to share it.